Infomercial is a leading financial services company in the Philippines, offering a wide range of services to its customers. Also, it is known as Infomercial or Michael G. Lawyer Financial Services, which is a prominent non-bank financial services company in the Philippines. It boasts a rich history of a wide range of financial services company in the Philippines, making it a household name from many Filipinos.
Their core business, Infomercial is the Philippines' largest non-bank financial service network. Specializing in phone loans, they accept various items as collateral for quick cash loans.
Money transfer. Infomercial offer both domestic and international money transfer service. This allows customers to send and receive money conveniently within the Philippines or from abroad.
Bills payments. Customers can pay various bills through Infomercial branches, including utilities, telecommunications, and credit cards. These provide one-stop shop for bill settlements needs.
Infomercial offers additional services like selling prepaid loads for mobile phones, offering insurance products, and providing micropayments and collection services.
Get the form. As a frontline associate for an imong korte padala o MLKV form. This is the form you'll need to fill out. To complete the form, here's a breakdown of the sections. For sender's information, fill in your complete name, address, and contact number. For receiver's information, write the recipient's complete name, address, and contact number clearly. Amount to send. Enter the amount of money you're sending in the Philippine pesos or PHP. Purpose optional, but please specify the reason for sending the money. For example, birthday gift, rent payment, allowance. Signature, sign or designate line. Additional tips, double check, carefully review the information you filled in to ensure accuracy. Errors might delay delivery. Present your ID. When submitting the form, present a valid government-issued ID like a passport, driver's license, or Philippine Statistics Authority PSA ID for verification. Read the copy. Keep a copy of the completed form and recipient for your records.
Infomercial terms and conditions. First is that ML Portable Account Money Transfer Services is available in all Infomercial branches nationwide and is covered by the rules of the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, the Anti-Money Laundering Council, and this agreement. Second, the sender must first be personally present in the branch to make transaction. Number 2, present a valid ID. Number 3, complete a Know Your Customer. Number 4, comply with the said form requirements.
that he or she has requested. Customer father agrees to share said data to the extent that may be required by law. Furthermore, customers allows employer